What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open an LLC if you live in Illinois. So creating an LLC and getting your whole business started might be a little intimidating to get like the whole process started. And like an LLC, getting your business bank account, business credit card, it's actually really easy. This video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get the whole process started, literally in 5 minutes. So two things I want to mention before I start the whole video. Once you get your LLC established, you always want to make sure that you renew it in the beginning of every year to keep it active. Every year you always have to renew it just to keep it active. Also, the second thing is that when you get your LLC, you also want to get an EIN number. An EIN number is like a 9-digit number that you get for your LLC, and this is something you do one time and one time only. It's a 9-digit number, and it's pretty much like the social security of the LLC. So this number is like what's asked for when it comes to opening a business bank account, a business credit card. So today we're going to get the LLC and the EIN number. These two things are going to help you establish the business, open a business bank account, business credit card, and all that stuff. So let's get started. What I use is Tailor Brands. Now I'm going to put the link in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments. That way you can just click it, follow along, and get this all done today. So let's get started. Right in front of me here, I have Tailor Brands. Highly recommend it. It's what I use for all of my businesses. And I sell like on Amazon, and this is like, it makes everything so much easier. So we're gonna put the state here, Illinois. Click get started here. And you always wanna have a business name already in mind when you're starting your LLC. So for me, I sell on Amazon, and that's like my full-time job. So we're gonna put Midtown Power Seller for an example of like a new business name that I'm trying to create, right? You don't have to put LLC because it's going to do it there for you. So you're just going to click see if it's available, and it's showing here that it is available. So you're just going to click next here, and then it's going to ask you a couple of questions here, very basic questions. We're just going to click next right now, and then it's going to ask you what stage are you currently in. For me, I'm going to say I'm about to launch my LLC. It all depends on your situation, right? When are you planning to launch Midtown Power Seller? Let's say in a few weeks from now. And now they're gonna ask you, what industry are you in? For me, selling on Amazon and selling online is e-commerce. So I'm gonna put e-commerce here. But let's say you don't have e-commerce, right? They have a ton of like industries for you to choose from. You just type in the first letter and then boom, ton of options to choose from. So I'm gonna put e-commerce here. And I'm gonna put physical goods because they sell products. I'm gonna click next here, and then they're gonna ask, are you planning on hiring employees in the upcoming years? For me, I'm just gonna put no because I sell online, it's just me. If you have business partners or you plan on hiring employees, you can click yes here. It's just gonna be me for here, so it's a no. And then you're gonna put the zip code here for me, 33165. And then pretty much what type of customers. For me, like it says e-commerce online. If you have a storefront, you would click this one, a retail shop, brick and mortar. If you're a service on the go, you can click this one. For me, it's online. And then they're gonna ask you, what are you planning to do today for your business? So we wanna click the LLC, and we also wanna click the EIN number. These are the two things you're gonna need to create your LLC and be established and have like a business bank account, business credit card. So we're gonna click next here, and then they're gonna ask you if we've done any of this before. And this is all new to me. We're first creating our LLC. We haven't done any of this, so we're just gonna skip this. Then they're gonna ask you where and how you've discovered Tailor Brands. So if you're watching this video, just click YouTube. Click next here. Now they're gonna ask you if you want a business plan. Yeah, might as well, it's free. Let's click next. Now you're just gonna put your contact information here, your personal info for the LLC. And I'm gonna type in some stuff here. All right, put in your personal info. All right, now we're gonna click next. Okay, it's already been taken. This is just an example, that's why. So now they're gonna ask, do you want they're gonna ask, do you want Tailor Brands to get the EIN number for you? I highly recommend you to do this. It's only $99. If you want to save money, you can also get the EIN number yourself once your LLC is established. But you know, save the headache, save the time, and just pay $99 extra. That way you can get your EIN number and get the business rolling really fast. If you want to try to save as much money as you can definitely do it yourself. After the LLC is established, you would just go to the IRS website, sign up for the EIN number. It isn't too hard to get, but for this example, I want Tailor Brands to get the EIN number for me. So now we're going to click next. Now they're going to ask you, do you want to assign a registered agent? And what I recommend you to do is click this one. I'll appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. Why do I recommend that? Is because it's going to be yourself. Like for all of my LLCs that I've always made, I am always my own registered agent. The only time you would have somebody else as a registered agent if you don't live in that state that you're filing an LLC for. And the majority of the people watching this video live in the state that they're filing an LLC for. The only time like you maybe want to file an LLC in a different state might be for tax benefits, or like, let's say, yeah, your company is a multi-million-dollar company, and you know, for tax benefits, your CPA recommends something else. Majority of people, I recommend to file the LLC under their name. I always do myself, so we're gonna click that. I'll appoint a different registered agent, which is gonna be yourself. Click next here. They're gonna ask you, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Now they're gonna say, do you want, pretty much what this means here is, do you want Tailor Brands to renew the LLC for you every year? They charge you $199. All depends on your situation. If you want Tailor Brands to do it for you and you don't mind paying the $199, then you can click this one. If you think you can handle it yourself, and the renewal is just like, you have like about sometimes 3 to 4 months to renew an LLC. It all depends on the state. But for this example, we're gonna save some money and I'll handle it myself. We're gonna click next here. Now they're gonna ask you if you want branding toolkit. We're gonna say no thank you to this, because it depends. If you want it, you can click it. It all depends on your situation. We're gonna click no thank you. And this is something that I definitely recommend you to do. Here, pay a little bit extra and get the expedited filing time. Or you can save money, not have to pay anything, and get it filed in 14 days. It all depends on your situation. For me, usually when I'm making an LLC, I'm ready to get the ball rolling. I'm ready to make money. I already have a bunch of business plans already in mind of what to do, what credit cards I want to open, the bank account, everything. So I would personally do the expedited filing, pay $49 extra. If you don't mind waiting 2 weeks and you have a lot of things on your plate right now, then you can go with the 14 days and save the $50. All depends on your situation. For me, for the situation and example, we're gonna click this one. Click next. Next, we have the operating agreement. You don't need this. I'm telling you don't. It's an upsell. So we're gonna click no thank you. And then store receipts, no thank you, we don't need this. And then they're gonna ask you for bookkeeping and invoicing, no thank you. And they're gonna ask you if you wanna get notified by Tailor Brands. I personally do. I wanna know, like let's say if I have to renew something or something comes up, I would like to get notified. Let's click next. Now they're gonna have 3 business plans here, but what's cool about what we did earlier in this video is that we already got the EIN number that we paid extra for and the expedited filing. So if you go back here and you use the light version, right, which is really cool, is that you select this here. Well, let's go back actually. I gotta show you one more thing. So the state filing fee is something that you always have to pay every year to the state. This is the state filing fee, $154, right? You always have to pay this to the state no matter what. Each state has a different filing fee. For Illinois, it's $154. So we're gonna click next here. And now you're gonna see here the state filing fee of $154. We paid $49 extra to get an expedited filing for the state here. So the total is gonna be $203. And we're also gonna get the EIN number as well. So all you would do now is continue to pay with your card here, and you're all set and done. And that's literally exactly how you create your LLC and get your EIN number as well. Real fast and easy, straightforward to getting your business going, being established. And that way you can open up your business bank account, business credit card, start making money. Take that initiative, create your business, get started. I highly recommend it. I've always worked for myself. I wouldn't have it any other way. Honestly, like, there are the highs and lows when doing your business, but like the more effort you put into your business, the more reward you get out of it. And there's unlimited potential. So that's the cool thing about it. And it grows and you see it grow over time. It's one of the best feelings. So I highly recommend it. I highly recommend you to be your own boss and, hope you nothing but the best. And also, if you're still watching this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'd really appreciate it. Hitting that like button and subscribing shows YouTube's algorithm that I trying to teach you guys something, and it really helps me out as well since this channel is new. And even commenting anything down below, I'd really appreciate it. Any questions regarding this or any videos you want me to make, leave a comment down below. That's about it, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.